మరుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవా మరుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవా మరుగేల చరాచర రూప పరాత్పర సూర్య సుధాకర లోచన మరుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవా అని నీవనుచు అంతరంగమునా తిన్నగా వెదికి తెలిసి కొంటినయ్య నిన్నేగాని మదిని నజాల నరులా నన్ను బ్రోవమయ్యా త్యాగరాజనుత మరుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవా మరుగేలరా ఓ రాఘవా. That means why you are keeping yourself in the abyss. Please manifest yourself. Please expand your manifestation. And then he says, Marugela charachara rupa. Chara plus achara, charachara. That means movable and immovable, all pervasive energy of Rama in movable as well as immovable forms. So clearly here Tyagaraja realized that Rama is all pervasive force. Parat para surya sudhakara lochana. This is a beautiful realization here again. Surya sudhakara lochana. That means the two eyes that he sees, the idol of Rama. One eye is the solar, the second eye is lunar. And then he says parat para. So he is assuming that Rama is exhibiting para para vasikana vidya, parat para, para plus apara. And furthermore, the two eyes, the window of operation of the eyes of Rama, the idol Rama, has extended beyond visible into infrared as well as visible region. And this extension of vision has led to the implementation of Parapara Vasikana Vidya. So through Parapara Vasikana Vidya, the hypnotic act, the Para plus Para Vasikana Vidya as well as Apara Vasikana Vidya can be practiced. So that is what Tyagaraja's eyes he was perceiving, and the same Para and Apara Vasikana Vidyas were perhaps used in Chara Chara, that is Chara plus Achara. Chara could be the Para Vasikana Vidya, Achara could be the Apara Vasikana Vidya. Welcome to 192nd episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. The Gayatri mantra is as follows: Om Bhu, Om Bhuva, Om Suvaha, Om Maha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam, Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. So, Om is the Pranava or the root of origin of all expressions, words, letters, languages, the media of communication. It is a root. It consists of three letters of akara, ukara, and makara. The same is amka, All these three in turn are connected to three Granthis. That is Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi, and Rudra Granthi. The interaction of seven internal worlds in positive direction with three Granthis, and the interplay between three Granthis and seven Kundalini chakras. That is what is happening here, because Om Bhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Suvaha, Om Maha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam. So this has covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lokas, so 7 worlds. So these are covered from these are covered in the Gayatri Mantra. The 7 worlds, the internal worlds interaction of those with the three Granthis, the interplay of those with three Gandhis, extending into the 7 chakras. Tatsaviturvarenyam goes one step further internally by connecting 3 Gandhis, 7 Kundalini chakras, and 5 elements. The interplay between 3 Gandhis, 7 Kundalini chakras, and 5 elements was perceived by Vishwamitra as Tatsaviturvarenyam. Brahma Granthi, from Brahma Granthi till Vishnu Granthi, earth element is being filled. The region below Brahma Granthi is filled with heavy water, virtues. The region between Vishnu Granthi and Rudra Granthi is being filled with fire element. The region beyond Rudra Granthi is being filled with air element. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi means the earth element of Narayani being subjected to magnetic attraction of Jupiter and traveling towards north with the help of southbound air element. This mixture of northbound earth element and the southbound air element interacting with Panchabrahma or the southbound forces is Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. The interaction removes the curtain of Maya and finally reaching the faculty of discretion in Anahata. Dhiyo Yona means the precipitation of water from the sky element that is not under the shadow of Maya. This precipitation reaching the filter of Brahma Granthi. Prachodayat means this procedure of interplay between 7 worlds, 3 Granthis, interplay between 7 Kundalini chakras, 3 Granthis, and 5 elements. The interplay between northbound earth element and southbound forces, the unadulterated precipitation in Brahma Granthi, all these steps must happen in a cycle. The functioning mechanism that ensures all these steps are happening in a cycle is Prachodayat. Therefore, Vishwamitra has invented a formula towards practicing of Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra constitutes 24 saints, 24 chandas or prosody, meaning the patterns of rhymes and sounds used in poetry. The 24 divine forms, divine forces, 24 energy radiations, 24 colors, and 24 mudras are postures. Similarly, Gayatri Mantra constitutes 24 Guru forces. It is for this reason that Valmiki wrote 24,000 slokas in Ramayana, because he he understands the significance of the number 24. The 24 saints that are protecting or acting as a shield for Gayatri Mantra are Vamadeva, Atri, Vasista, Sukra, Kanya, Parasara, Swamitra, Kapila, Saunaka, Yagnavalkya, Bharadwaja, Jamadagni, Gautama, Mudgala, Vyasa, Lomasa, Agastya, Kausika, Vatya, Pulatya, Manduka, Durvasa, Narada, and finally Kasyapa. The famous ring of seven saint shield was intrinsic to Gayatri. The 24 forces of Guru present in Gayatri Mantra are the five elements, that is water, earth, fire, air and the sky elements. Sun, moon, pigeon, python, ocean, butterfly, a working class honeybee, the honeybee that enjoys the nectar of honey, deer, fish, a prostitute, a small bird, child, caterpillar, a profession, serpentine, spider, and wasp, the social winged insect. All these 24 creatures are the 24 forms of Guru that are present in Gayatri Mantra. Through the Nama Gayatri, Ragamadhani re-enters planet Earth. Remaining part we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.